Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to be able to share 5 quick steps for those who are beginning watercolor students on how to jump in and look at the overall process. So let's get started. Here really quickly, I want to give you the 5 quick overview steps when you're getting started with watercolor. Number 1 is have a drawing. Number 2, have an underpainting. 3, build up your layers. Moving forth, move from lights to dark, and then finally finish with the details. So the first one, going back, is have a quick drawing of what you want to be able to accomplish in your picture. The reason why this is so important is it will be able to keep you focused on your overall picture and understanding the shapes and the dimensions of what it is you're looking to accomplish. The second thing is an underpainting. For those who don't know what an underpainting is, this is the very first layer that you put on your watercolor. It usually sets the tone of what your watercolor will look like and feel like, if it's a cool or a warm tone. In this particular example, the undercoating was more of a yellow to keep it a more bright, sunny undertone feel to the picture. The third one, which is the bulk of your picture, is going to be layering. As you layer on different colors upon your undercoating, this will build up your picture to be able to give it the depths of the color that you're looking for. Now, an important thing to remember, a pro tip, is if you're going to be doing these different layerings, you do need to let your paint dry before you put the next layer on it, to be able to get those multiple layers on. If you just start adding it immediately wet on wet, as you'll notice painting, it's a great technique, not for layering, but it will just muddy your picture or muddy out the colors that you're trying to do. The fourth thing that's really important to remember is be able to remember to go from light to dark. I prefer going lights to dark because if I make a mistake with a light, usually if I come in afterwards over a darker color, it can hide my mistake. And then lastly, the fifth one, which I enjoy the most, is the details. The details of the process of going in and finishing out the little leaves, the little specific things. In this particular case, the details of like the orcas are important. That has a deeper color overall. Now, the thing to remember, if I had a step 6, is have fun. Take the opportunity to enjoy what you're doing, enjoy the creation process, and just remember, you're just pushing paint around. So I hope you enjoyed this quick overview for anyone who's beginning, and welcome to watercolor. Welcome to the joy that comes from experiencing the transformation on your papers. And I hope you enjoyed this particular painting of these orcas up here in Washington. It's a subject matter that I actually really enjoy painting. So once again, thanks. Remember to share the love and enjoy painting.